On the day that your subscription starts, you'll receive an email from our Science and Technology Center inviting you to set up a teacher account on the Make Wonder website. Click on the orange Join Subscription button. Select the Sign In with Google option, and you'll be automatically forwarded to the Make Wonder dashboard. Along the top, you will see your teacher code for accessing resources. If this is your first time borrowing a subscription, you will need to set up a class. In this case, I already have a class set up, called Gilborg. When I click on the classroom name, I will be taken to a class roster with up to 30 student accounts. Clicking on the class name opens the roster. Here I can add and edit student names. Make sure to protect student identity by only using first names or some other way of protecting student identities. You can also customize what color and image will be used to quickly identify students in your roster. You can also use the bulk create, bulk edit features to speed up the class roster process. In this view, you can edit and save student info all from one screen. You also have the ability to bulk add students using Google Classroom. Now that your class has been set up, use the navigation on the left of the screen to assign tasks and track student progress. In this example, we're going to assign coding pathways to the entire class. I can assign tasks based on the coding levels of my students, as well as differentiate should some students require more assistance. Once I know what I want to assign, I simply click on Assign Pathway, select my class, select the students I want to assign the task to, and click on Assign Pathway. Now, when I click on Track Progress, I should be taken back to the roster view, where I can view different aspects of my students' progress. Now we will repeat the same process for assigning challenge cards to a class. This time we will only assign the task to specific students that perhaps needed to revisit a concept, allowing us to differentiate on the fly.
Click on Assign.
Select your class, and choose the specific students you want to revisit the coding challenge. Now, when you track progress for that specific activity, only the students you have assigned the task to will show the activity in the student roster.